Amir. Firstly, welcome to HT's OTT Play. It's good to interview again for a new project and a new character that you have presented in Lutere. Tell me, what were your first thoughts when the series was narrated to you, and did you have any kind of apprehensions before coming on board for the project?
You know, when Hansal Mehta sir is the showrunner, when Jay Mehta is the director, when there's such amazing people behind backing the show, I don't think anyone will have any problems being a part of the show. And when I read the script, when the show was narrated to me, I was just hoping that जो narration मैं सुन रहा हूँ वो उस type का execute हो. And this is one show which is happening exactly the way I thought. Because see, we all watch a lot of international shows. This show wasn't a typical Indian Indian show. It is very international in terms of execution and the script. So I was just hoping if they shoot it like that, and they did. They went to Africa. They took African actors. They made it look like it belongs there.
Yeah.
And the outcome is for everyone to see. It's, I think, one of the best shows. Not because I'm a part of it.
Yeah.
Even if I was just a viewer, I would have been very proud of this show because it's India's answer to a lot of international shows that we see. It's on par with them.
Yeah.
So
It's yeah, true.
I had no what inhibitions or whatever I can have for being a part of such a show. I was very happy to be a part of the show.
But also, when it comes to your character, it is something that you have never attempted in the past, in the OTT projects that you have done.
Ji.
How did you approach this part, and what was the character transformation that you had to personally go through?
So you know what? I've left television to do these kind of roles. As a viewer of OTT, I remember when I started watching the web shows, one of the first ones being Breaking Bad, and it just blew my mind. I'm like, यार इस टाइप के shows होते हैं और मुझे इस टाइप के shows करने हैं. It was like a dream to do these kind of shows. And yeah, I had to take a break from television, as you all know.
Yeah.
बहुत साल से मैंने काम नहीं किया टेलीविजन पर, and slowly and gradually I'm doing some interesting work on OTT, and just rediscovering myself as an actor. And मैं एक्चुअली थक गया था. लोग जो भी नाम से मुझे टीवी पे बुलाते थे. I think I'd achieved a lot on television, but I was just missing that one tag of being a good actor.
Yeah.
And I think I wanted to work towards that process now. And I'm happy doing the kind of roles that I'm doing that's presenting me, as you said, मैंने ऐसे कभी किया नहीं है.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm working hard. I'm changing my look. I'm working hard towards it. I'm getting enough time to prepare myself as an actor. So yeah, I'm just enjoying myself.
That's great. But also, this was your second time working with Hansel sir. You worked with
Yeah.
him on a film earlier. Tell me, how was it
Mm.
to kind of reunite with him for a second project?
See, working with Hansel sir is a dream come true, I think, for most of the actors. Um, he's one person who just proved time and again that he's the best in the web world in India. Yeah, no one's better than him. And I remember meeting him in Faraz for the first time, and when he said he didn't want me to do a certain kind of role because he like to herogiri karega, hero lagega, and he gave me a role of a father, and he
Yeah.
said that I want people to only see you as an actor, कुछ और नहीं देखना है, सिर्फ actor older than your age and just surprise people, and that's what I think we managed to do. And uske baad I did trial, I did now Lutere, and
Yeah.
I'm just trying. You just learn from such people, just being around them, just seeing what they do, what they speak. Just learn and just do it.
Drop everything.
Yeah, just enjoy the process of being involved in such projects.
Of
And
course.
मैंने TV छोड़ा to do these kind of work, and
Hmm.
I'm being
Proud of
patient.
that
But
choice.
sorry.
You're proud of that decision that you made.
Yeah, I'm always yeah. You can't regret on. It's been so many years I've not done television,
Yeah.
and yeah, I'm very happy in this space, and I
Yeah.
hope I get better. सी रोल्स मिलना डिफिकल्ट नहीं है, अच्छे रोल्स मिलना डिफिकल्ट है.
Hmm.
सो नाउ आई एम होपिंग आई गेट मोर ऑप्शंस टू गेट दीज काइंड ऑफ रोल्स.
Yeah. But also when you took a break from television and when you are attempting and trying your ways out to venture into the OTT space, what were the challenges that you faced? Because you came from the television background. कभी filmmakers को वो थोड़े perceptions होते हैं that he's a TV actor,
जी
he might be loud on
जी
the screen. Did you face any
जी.
kind of those judgments or challenges?
या या प्लेटफॉर्म्स को होते हैं,
Hmm.
मेकर्स को होते हैं, सबको होते हैं. आई इट वाजंट एन इजी थिंग फॉर मी. मुझे लगा था I'll quit TV. मैं बोलूंगा I'll quit television and I've taken a break from TV because I want to do some interesting work on OTT and I'll get people calling me. मैं मीटिंग किया, बुलाया, लेकिन काम नहीं दिया किसी ने. I had lunches and dinners with them, but they always took me as a TV star.
Yeah.
Okay, how I look, how I am, this was overlooking everything else besides what I can do as an actor.
Hmm.
So it was a waiting phase, and then you require people like Hansel sir, the people who have real balls, who are the makers with balls. मैं हमेशा सबको बोलता हूँ,
Hmm.
who um, have that courage to cast you and portray you in a certain way.
Yeah.
And yeah, so someone has to start the my patience जो मैं रखा था, someone had to give in,
Hmm.
and it was these makers who gave in, and yeah, here I am.
But now that you have done a couple of projects in the OTT space, and the
Mm.
medium has itself evolved over the years. What's your take on the kind of content that is being made in the OTT space, and do you feel that certain
I
kind
love
of
them.
content should be censored to a certain extent?
Yeah, I don't see the kind of shows I watch.
Hmm.
If there is a love making scene, uh, I don't think that maker is doing it for the kick of himself or to please the audience. He's doing it because it's required in the scene. I don't know about other platforms and unnecessary content जब होते हैं तो क्या हो जाता है ना, मुझे लगता है बहुत ही थिन लाइन है.
Yeah.
और आप इसको किसी को ब्लेम नहीं कर सकते हो कि आप ये दिखा रहे हो ताकि ऑडियंस आए, या आप ये दिखा रहे हो क्योंकि सीन की रिक्वायरमेंट है.
Hmm.
ये बहुत ही थिन लाइन है. तो आई जस्ट होप एंड विश के मेकर्स वो जो जो दिखाने के लिए करते हैं, ऑडियंस को अट्रैक्ट करने के लिए करते हैं, वो खुद थोड़ा सा कर्व करना शुरू कर दे, ताकि जो जेन्युइन मेकर्स है और जो जेन्युइन सीन्स के लिए करते हैं, उनको बैकलैश ना हो.
Yeah.
आई डोंट नो, इट्स अ डिबेट कि सेंसर होना चाहिए या नहीं होना चाहिए. बट देन क्या हो जाएगा, देन बहुत सारी चीजों पे सेंसर हो जाएगा. देन मुझे डर है कि OT टीवी हो जाएगा, क्योंकि टीवी पे हम बहुत सारी चीजें बोल नहीं सकते थे. आई रिमेम्बर जब मैं कॉमेडी शो FIR करता था, इट वाज लिटिल मोर बोल्ड.
Yeah.
माय प्रोड्यूसर डायरेक्टर टोल्ड मी थोड़ा सा मस्ती वाले लाइंस चल जाते हैं यहाँ पर. बट बाय द टाइम आई केम इन, आई एम लाइक मस्ती वाले लाइंस कहाँ हैं यहाँ पर, मुझे तो वही करने थे.
Hmm.
लाइक नहीं यार, अभी चैनल ने बोल दिया कि अभी नहीं कर सकते. लाइक रियली सो वो बहुत ही थिन लाइन है.
Yeah.
एंड देन वो जब कर्व होना शुरू हो जाएगा, देन वो कंटेंट वो नहीं रहेगा. आई एम नॉट सेइंग
Hmm.
चीप होना चाहिए या
Yeah.
वल्गर होना चाहिए तभी प्रोडक्ट अच्छा होता है. ऐसे तो कितने सारे, अदरवाइज तो सिर्फ सेक्सी दिखाओ ना.
Hmm.
मतलब that would have been the most selling site ever.
Hmm.
Why is Hotstar the number one platform on
Oh.
in India? Because not because I'm doing Notere, but
Yeah, yeah, I get it.
not why Amazon on Netflix or all these guys doing so good. They're not into cheap content; they're into good content.
Yeah. And
So
that's why people do follow their content. I mean, that is being offered
yeah,
on the platforms.
yeah. I think they themselves have that. एक होता है उनमें खुद में होता है कि unnecessary नहीं दिखाना है इन्हें.
Yeah.
I don't think Hotstar, Netflix, Amazon, Z, all these Sony, all these people
Hmm.
unnecessary दिखाने के लिए करते हैं. There are many other platforms जो करेंगे. मुझे नहीं लगता all these big 7, 8 में I'm maybe missing 2, 3 others,
Yeah.
but I don't think these big platforms do it for to attract the
The
other way around.
audiences. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
But
तो
before,
सेंसरशिप मेरे हिसाब से
yeah.
सेंसरशिप करके थोड़ा गड़बड़ हो जाएगा.
Hmm. That's
देन
true.
अच्छे लोग अपना बोल नहीं पाएंगे. आई रिमेम्बर
Hmm.
अमेजोन के ऊपर बहुत प्रॉब्लम हुआ था ड्यूरिंग दैट शो, सैफ अली खान वाला शो।
Uh, I just I think there was
या
Tanda or something around that.
या
Yeah,
या
Tanda. Yeah,
तो
yeah.
फिर क्या हो जाता है ना, फिर एक प्लेटफॉर्म थोड़ा डर जाता है।
Hmm.
एंड देन जो बोलना है, जिस तरीके से बोलना है, अब यूएस के शोज देखो ना, नेटफ्लिक्स के नए, वो लोग दे डोंट केयर, दे मेक डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज ऑन प्रेसिडेंट एंड दे गेट अवे विद इट बिकॉज है फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच है। मुझे टीवी पे भी किसने बोला था बहुत साल पहले,
Hmm.
जब मैं नया नया टीवी शुरू किया था एंड वी वर डूइंग हार्डकोर टिपिकल टीवी शोज, तो टेड टॉक नहीं था उस वक्त, कुछ और था, मैं गया था किसी कॉन्फ्रेंस में एंड इट सेड यू शो द सेम काइंड ऑफ स्टफ, नो नो, मुझे ब्लेम कर रहा था वो,
Hmm.
पर यू शो द सेम काइंड ऑफ स्टफ एंड ये वो, वी बोर्ड नाउ, वी वांट टू सी समथिंग इंटरेस्टिंग। So
Hmm.
my answer to him was, you stop watching it and we'll stop showing it.
Hmm.
The platform will stop airing it. The producers will stop making it. So stop watching ना, आप लोगों को देखना भी हो फिर क्रिप भी करना है। So
Yeah,
let the audience decide ना। I'm sure सबका पीजी होता है, 13 साल 18 साल जो भी साल। Let the audience decide, they're matured enough in India to take a call, देखना है कि नहीं देखना है।
of course. But on a
Hmm.
lighter note, I have a fun segment for you, where you have to just
Yeah, please।
name the things that you would want to steal from your co-stars that you have worked with in the past.
हाँ बोलिए।
Let's go. Starting with
Hmm.
Kajol ma'am.
I want to steal from Kajol ma'am all the movies she's done with Mr. Shah Rukh Khan साहब।
That's interesting.
या
The
मैं
next
सारे
one is
करना चाहता हूँ। मैं रोमांस करना चाहता हूँ शाहरुख खान साहब के साथ।
that would be something interesting to see. But moving on, the next one is Anita Hasnandani.
What I want to steal from Anita,
Yeah.
I think the way she looks, she still looks so pretty,
Hmm. Aging gracefully.
aging so gracefully. Yeah,
Yeah.
motherhood gracefully, aging gracefully.
Yeah, that's great. Next is
Hmm.
Crystal D'Souza.
Uh, yeah, the way she sings on her reels,
Hmm.
Crystal, the way she sings, वो पूरा lip sync करके पूरी swag के साथ, she looks like a rock star.
Yeah,
That swag of hers I want to steal.
that's good. The next is
Hmm.
Sukirti Kandpal.
Her hair,
The
her
curls.
hair, the curls. I love her curls. Yeah.
Yeah. And the next is Kavita Kaushik, the one from FIR, your poster.
Her madness, her humor. She's damn funny.
Hmm.
She's witty.
Yeah,
Her wit.
yeah, right. That's great. But thank you so much, Amir, for doing this
Thank
interview.
you.
It was
Thank
lovely
you.
speaking with you again on a different project, and hopefully soon we
Thank
will
you. But
interact.
please do watch Lutere
Definitely.
and let us know how you like it.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. Thank you.